Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TradingView how to add session breaks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The TradingView mobile app doesn't support the native session breaks feature that is available on desktop version, but what you can do is head over and open up your TradingView app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the chart section. Then once inside here, what you need to do is select the stoppage point in your chart. Then once you select this stoppage point here, what you need to do is just simply tap on this adjust icon or indicators icon. Then once inside under tools, you'll find the option that says indicators. Simply tap on that. Now here on the search bar, simply type in session breaks. Then once you have entered it, select one of the indicators, and then once selected, the selected indicator will be applied to your chart. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.